Hi, and welcome to this iOS video on installing and running Xcode. Xcode is the integrated development environment to develop for iPhone and iPad using Apple's iOS operating system. In order to install Xcode, we need to go to developer.apple.com, and I've done that here in Safari. And then we need to navigate to the iOS Dev Center. Now, you don't need a developer account to develop applications and run them in the simulator, the iPhone or iPad simulator, but you do need a developer account to actually upload your apps to a testing device and also to publish to the App Store. So, sorry, I misspoke. We don't need to click this link. We need to go to Resources, the Resources link at the top of the screen, and then click on Create Apps for iOS 6. And there's many ways to get to this page, but this seems to be the simplest way. So if you have a developer account, you can by all means log in, but you don't actually need to have a developer account to download and install Xcode, which is the IDE. So what we want to do is always make sure that we have the latest production version of Xcode. You can also go into your developer account, if you have one, and get the latest beta testing version. Right now, the latest version of Xcode is 4.6, and it develops applications for iOS 6.2, actually, is where we are right now, as of this video demonstration. So what we will do is update devices. First of all, we will update all of our testing devices to iOS 6.1, and then go to the Mac App Store via this link, and we can also just do this directly through the App Store, to download the Xcode environment. Now, Xcode is bundled with the current version of iOS 6 APIs, so it's very easy to do. Now, I've already installed Xcode on this machine, but I'm actually going to update it to 4.6.2. The process is very similar. So we'll click this link, View in the Mac App Store, and that will come up inside the App Store. If you have not installed Xcode previously, this button will say Install. Xcode is free. All of the API for iOS 6 is free. So, and Xcode, the development tools themselves, are free. So we'll just click either Install or Update. In my case, it's Update, and we'll install Xcode. It will ask for your password. You provide it the password, create sign in, and then install Xcode. Now, what I will be doing is I'm going to go ahead and provide it the password, install and download, and then in the next video, we'll be talking about just creating a very simple Hello World application within Xcode. Thank you.